Shit over, fool.
Fuck. Where your brother went?
Close the door, fool. You ain't closing the door, fool. Close it. Hit it the same way you just hit it, fool. It's the same way you just hit it, fool.
I did, fool.
You did, fool.
I did, fool.
What you doing, fool? What's wrong with you, dog?
Hey, man, I'm fucking drunk. I'm trying to piss in the mouth for him.
What?
I'm trying to piss in the mouth.
Close your door, bruh.
Hey, man, it brings funny clothes and shit.
Say what, fool?
The brunt is motherfucker.
The what? Go on to call Earl, fool. We don't know what you about to do.
I ain't finna call Earl, man.
You finna call motherfucking Earl, fool.
I don't call fucking Earl.
Fool, I'm finna record your motherfucking ass the rest of the night, fool. I don't give a fuck what move you make, fool. I'm recording the shit out of you, fool. You kids, I'm turning around this way. I'm gonna start talking to myself because I know I look good on camera, so it don't really matter. Man, I had a good time tonight, man. It's my boy's birthday. I got him drunk. LSG to the fullest. You know what it is. My nigga Hassan stopped me from whooping this. Look at this drunk motherfucker right here tumbling around the motherfucking world, nigga. You ain't even hold himself up. This nigga This nigga hurt. This nigga hurt. Hey, look.
Hey, man, what
Like
the more Craig in, man? Then what the fuck this shit look like?
Hey, man, hurry up, dog.
Hey, man.
Like I was saying, though, man, the bullshit that happened tonight at the club, little buddy, I'm gonna put this on YouTube, and if you see a nigga, come holler at me, nigga. I will snap your fucking neck in two, nigga.
Hey, man, why does shit
And I know
look
how
like
the
our
fuck to
house?
do it, too, nigga. Think I don't.
Why does shit look like our house?
Oh, this nigga that fell. This nigga that fucking fell on the ground. This nigga that fucking fell on the ground. This nigga that fucking fell. Dewan, fool. This nigga that fell, fool. Come here, fool. You drunk, bitch. This nigga on the ground hurt.
Hey, bro.
This nigga hurt, fool. He hurt. He fell. He fell. He fell backwards.
Fucking nigga, man.
This nigga.
I'm fucking closing on this
Fool,
shit.
you on the ground right now, bruh.
I know this shit, man. This shit fucking feel good.
Hey, y'all, come on, baby. Come on, fool. Get your ass up. Get your drunk ass up. Oh, you fucked up your car. Oh, you fucked that jacket up, bruh. Oh, he fucked that jacket up.
Hey, man, what jacket fucked up, man?
Oh, that motherfucker fucked up, bro. You fucked that hoe up.
Yeah, wipe the shit off.
You can't pull that motherfucking mud, nigga. It look like somebody shitted on your ass on the back of your jacket.
Nah, man. It can't look like that.
Shit. It been look like that forever. Fool. You got grass in your hair, ants crawling on your shoulder and shit. Up in the look. Don't fall backwards on these motherfucking steps, fool. I swear to God, cop. Yes, nigga, I'm recording the rest of the night, nigga. I'm not bullshit, nigga. Nigga, every motherfucking. Look at this nigga, fool. Look at him, fool. Nigga in here tearing up shit.
I fuck everybody, you know me.
You can't stand up, fool. Is you drunk? Nah, fool. We finna make you niggas drink another shot.
I gotta be working a couple hours.
So, nigga, I'll get up. There ain't no problem anymore.
Oh, you do your thing. I can't.
Nah, I'm talking about this motherfucker right here. Look at.
Man, that nigga is not getting. Where the keys at, dog? He is not gonna fucking do it.
Fool, I know I gotta be working 1:30.
Hey, man, fuck you, bro. Fuck you.
Why fuck me, fool?
Fuck you.
You the drunk one. And it's fuck me?
Yeah, man, you motherfuckers taking all the fucking camera pictures and shit.
You drunk, fool. You just fell out on the motherfucking ground outside, nigga.
Fuck this shit.
Alright, you got a minute.
It's 27, nigga.
You 27.
Hell yeah, nigga. fuck what everybody
You
think about.
27 when you got grass in your hair.
Hey.
Don't try to wipe it out now. Look, bend your head down. Bend your head down, fool. Look at all that motherfucking grass.
Hey, man.
You heard, fool. Get up, fool.
You're supposed to get me on the
Get up, bruh.
Hey,
Get up, bruh.
Shit, man.
Get your ass up,
Hey,
bruh.
man, fuck it.
What's up? Fuck that shit, nigga.
Fuck
Look behind you on your jersey, nigga.
What the fuck's on Justin?
The motherfucking Crown Royal bottle, nigga. And it's still some more motherfucking Crown in here, nigga. Let me see how much motherfucking Crown it. That was ugly. That was ugly. That was ugly. Yeah, motherfucker is drunk. Motherfucker is drunk.
Hey, dog, where the keys at? Cause he's not gonna get up tomorrow.
Cop.
I heard it. I'm gonna get it now. But get the keys, cause I